over 5, 0 index, that is 0 power. When the power is 0, I know you know that from a junior school, that is all numbers raised to power 0 is 1. If I have x raised to power 0 is 1. That is the law. So that's why we call it 0 index. When the index, that is the power, is 0, the whole expression gives me 1. So if I have 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 5, what do I do here? Going back to division law of indices, the same base. I pick one of them, then you subtract this from this. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and the whole expression gives me 1. So you must understand this expression. Okay? Then the next law is negative index. Now, I want to bring us back to this place where we have 3 raised to power minus 3. What do you observe here? You will see that the power here is not positive. Now, whenever the power is positive, you are good to go. But whenever the power is negative, you need to do something again. You must not leave the answer like that. Okay? Because I've met a lot of people that they will say 2 raised to power minus 5. Actually, 2 raised to power 5 is 32. But because of this minus, they will now say minus 32. That is actually funny. And it's very, very wrong. Okay? So wrong. Now, how do we approach negative index? Let's take, for instance, I have x raised to power minus 2. A number raised to a negative index, this is equal means this, to the reciprocal. In mathematics, when you say reciprocal, you are talking about 1 over something. So it's equal to the reciprocal of the same number with the power. So it's equal to the reciprocal, that is 1 over the same, but now positive. That is x squared. That's what it means. So it's equal to the reciprocal, that is 1 over the same positive, this same thing, but here it will be positive. In other words, we can say that we need to, whenever we come across a negative index, we need to change it. And how do you do that? If I have 5 raised to power minus 2, sorry that it's because of the way I bent, sorry. If I have 5 raised to power minus 2, this will give me 1 over the same thing. But I need to remove this minus. In doing that, I will say 1 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So to avoid this minus, or to remove it, we have to say 1 over the same question. Do we understand, please? So this one, you now proceed by saying 1 over 5 squared is 25. Okay? Now let's come back to this place now. I have 3 raised to power minus 3. So what do I do? That will be, this is a negative. If it is 3 raised to power 3, the answer is 3 times 3 times 3, 27. But because there is a negative index, I'm going to write 1, that is the reciprocal of the same positive index. That will be 1 over the same value without the minus now. For you, the thing is that for us to remove this minus, I need to put 1 over the same thing. That is, you can see that it's the same value, but here the minus has been removed by having 1 over that, and that gives me 1 over 27. So that is the final. You don't, when you stop here as a final answer, you are very wrong. You must come here. Okay, so the same thing is applicable here. So this is law number 6 as the negative index. Okay, so I have maybe x raised to power minus 1. This one will give me 1 over x raised to power 1, and this gives me 1 over x. It's still